So Jordan, what does a chiropractic adjustment actually do for a person?
Well, part of it is that resetting of muscle tone, so letting the supporting muscles around that relax a little bit. So that's that ease people feel after the adjustment. It actually, well, it shows to release endorphins as well. So they're your feel-good hormones. So this is that feeling of not so much euphoria, but a nice point of ease and relaxation, because it has an analgesic effect. So similar to what you do with medications of codeine-based things or anti-inflammatories. So there's a hormonal response to it, there's also a physical response to it, and I guess there's a psychological component to that too. With both those things alleviating that stress load on the body, then you feel easier and much more comfortable. Because typically when people are in pain, it's harder for them to focus, it's harder for them to deal with the life and what's thrown at them. So we're taking that component out of the equation so that they can deal with their environment and adapt to it much more effectively.
1 + 1 really equals 2.
And it should be simple, man. Like it's not meant to be complicated or rocket science. It's getting the body to function normally how it's meant to, and then it can take on the stress loads. I guess you're looking at from how you feel your cup within stress. If it's overflowed, then you can't take on any extra more stress load. If we can alleviate that and kind of get a balance between positives and negatives, then it doesn't matter what's thrown at you. You can cope with it. It's when you've got too many things in the negative that you're overwhelmed and you can't take that stress load on anymore. So we have that breakdown, we have that physical pain, we have those other major symptoms and responses the body does.